Building your brand with social media does not have to be overwhelming. Today, I'm sharing some of the most effective ways to use social media to build your brand. From consistency to engagement, these tips will help you reach a wider audience and establish a strong online presence. All right, tip number one is to maintain a consistent tone and image across all of your social media platforms. You need to make sure that your profiles are up to date and visually appealing. Tip number two, interact with your followers and respond to their comments and messages. This is so important as this helps build a personal connection with your audience and increases your brand loyalty. Tip number three, don't listen to the naysayers. Use relevant hashtags to increase your visibility and your reach of a wider audience. You got to do this by researching popular hashtags that are related to your brand and what you're talking about and include them in your posts. Tip number four, share behind the scenes content to give your followers, your audience, a personal look into your business and your brand. And as a result of showing this behind the scenes content, you'll build trust, and trust, once it's built, is when people start spending money. And my bonus tip number five is to watch the numbers, but don't let the numbers consume you. If you only get 10 likes or 10 views, just imagine if you had a store and 10 people walked in and they all purchased. That's what matters. Don't worry about going viral. Just create good content, watch your numbers, and take it from there. And do me a favor, in the comments, share your thoughts on these tips and let me know what has worked for you. I'd love to see the results. Thank you.